We have to bring race service to Germany in a pop-up art installation representing Nico in 60 days that's never been done before.
And we can't see it.
And we can't see it in person.
I was really impressed with the team in Germany who actually built the stuff because it was so aligned to my vision, and yet I'd never even communicated. They did a very good job.
I'm Andrew Cramb.
Max Vandenberg.
My name is Nico Sclater, also known as Ornamental Conifer.
We had done a lot of work with Porsche. The jacket I'm wearing and the hat you're wearing. We developed this relationship with Porsche Brand Store in Germany. The store has a really cool theme. It evolves and they do different themes and different things in it every 6 months or a year. It changes. The clothing was such a hit. We want to bring race service to Germany. We want to bring the LA vibes.
The vibes.
Should we say the LA vibes? So much of that was influenced by experiences that they had at race service.
We have a very distinct color palette here, and that includes the bright blue sky and the green palm trees and the pink building, and I think transferring that over to their store was probably the easiest way that we could bring that vibe.
So that was the brief of the project, and then we had to get to work. We had 2 months to bring this store to life.
I had zero idea how we were going to pull it off. Problem that I first hit was that I couldn't see the space, but wanting to see all these little nooks and crannies where you would have these little Easter egg moments that the viewer would kind of go, oh, that's cool, it's here, and it's like little tucked away to visualize how my work would sit in that space. I always tend to lean more towards kind of overabundance. I want to fill every space, and it's the same as the studio that I work in. I feel it's the most representative of me as a character.
Nico kind of coming up with a grand concept, giving me a bunch of his completed art, and letting me kind of be free will with like how to organize the room, almost acting as a production designer.
There were some constraints even with the creative because we just didn't have enough time to make new work. From my perspective, what was born out of it was like a really good end product. Photographing my work rather than sending my work became the most viable option. I had never considered a photograph of me holding my work to be a valid piece, and when I saw the photographs that Thaddeus took, I fell in love with it.
We did a long sleeve shirt in 2 colorways. We did a Super 6 sticker sheet. We did that really dope zine. We did a Nicolai art print.
Cool part of this project is that you walked into this space and there was this massive garage door that made no sense, and there was a big giant click me red button. So you'd hit the button and the garage door would open up.
And I was like, what if we did a garage? What if the LED wall was one of our garage bays at race service? Every time you like hit a button or open it, there's a different Porsche from the LA community. But we had, I think, 20, 30 different cars, and you'd walk up and you'd press it and you'd see a different car. So we brought our community and our friends from here to there, and it was such a fun piece that added so much depth to it.
The space was very specific. They gave us a 3D render. We were able to put paint and art and hang things and do whatever to this existing space. I would kind of mock up what I think would be a cool idea and then show him what his vision was. And then we both worked together like, okay, this wall's gonna be checker painted. These all have tools on them. Here's a helmet, here's a plant, here's a bench, here's a rug, here's all those things.
He got a 3D render of like a box of a room, and he had to scale measure a room that he had never seen across the world and like do his best to be like, I think a bench is this big.
You know, I love the fact that they bought some of the books that I have on my bookshelf. That was incredible.
It worked.
Yeah, it freaking worked.
Yeah.
It really, really worked.
Seeing it all come together and work is like, in 60 days, is like, I don't know how it happened, but at the end of it, it was just...
It really made that place feel like a centerpiece of the whole town. It was very cool.
Not seeing your work is something I'm accustomed to. And I'm often designing things and sending them to clients as digital files, and they're printed on the sides of buses in, Poland. I never see those either. So I am accustomed to not seeing. From a studio perspective, it was definitely the most significant part of this project was learning to delegate and trusting other creatives with your work.